Hey everybody, it's Brad at Dayport Brothers LLC out in Versailles, Ohio. Going to do another walk around video followed by an operational video on this 2008 Bobcat 430 excavator that came in and we're putting up for sale. Apologies in advance if the audio is off a little bit. It's a little windy again today. As always, I'm going to walk around. I'll talk about the features and functions. I'll get up close to everything, show you everything I see, tell you everything that I know. Then of course we'll fire it up, show you that it's pretty tight up there in the bucket pens and up here where the boom and the cab come together, and the chassis. Show you the tracks are good, show you it tracks good and strong, turns strong to both directions. As always, if you are in the market for a used excavator or a used piece of construction equipment or a used piece of ag equipment, please subscribe to the channel, please like the video. Your likes and subscriptions help other people who are looking for machines find our videos and find our machines, and we truly do appreciate it. All right, like I said, this one's a 2008 Bobcat 430. If you've watched many of our videos before, you know we love these older pre-emissions machines. As you see when I get up close to it, paint's pretty darn good, especially for an 08 machine. Bucket's in really good shape, hydraulic thumb, cab heat air, Bobcat exchange mechanical coupler, front blade, like I said, pre-emissions Kubota diesel engine, 4-cylinder Kubota diesel engine, 7,885 pound operating weight, and this one has 2,250 hours. All right, like I said, the white paint's pretty darn bright here on the boom and the stick. Hydraulics are nice and strong. I kind of ran it around a little while ago. You'll see that in a little bit here. Blade is very straight. I don't see any big bows or dents or dings in the blade. Cutting edge is decent on the blade. I don't see any cracks or welds or plating anywhere on the back of the blade like you see a lot of times. When we do the operational video, you'll see it's pretty tight up here. There's a little bit of play, but nothing bad. Same with the bucket. Pretty tight, a little bit of play. Nothing I wouldn't expect for a 2,000-hour machine, but fairly tight, far from sloppy. Tracks are pretty decent. I'm gonna say we're at least 50, probably more like 60%. I think I'm being very fair there. There's definitely tread life left. Sprockets are pretty decent. Definitely life left in those sprockets. As you can see, it actually retains quite a bit of the gray paint still over here on the side rails. It has at some point been repainted, at least partially. This side over here, very straight, but it might be kind of hard to tell, but you can tell there's two tones of white paint there, but very straight. Coming around to the back door's in really good shape. No big dents or dings there. A couple little scratches down here, but like I said, my guess is it's been repainted quite a while ago. They did a really good job, and it's not nasty or rusty underneath of it. Just paint was probably fading a little bit. Pretty dry underneath here. Come around to this side. This track matches up really well to the other side. Same thing with the sprockets here, and again, that side rail there on the undercarriage, pretty good. This door here, pretty doggone straight. Not all busted up. Couple little scratches here and there. Paint chip just a little bit there. Same thing down here. Couple little paint chips. Couple little spots where the decals are peeled just a tiny little bit. Again, this side of the boom and stick, I do not see any cracks or welds. I don't see anywhere where it's been plated. Everything looks pretty darn good. Go back and take a look at the engine. Like I said, I love these older pre-emissions Kubota engines. As you can see here, pretty doggone clean, nice and dry on top here. Same thing down here at the block. Not a bunch of oil or diesel running down the side of it. It's very dry. Everything looks pretty good over here. Pretty clean underneath here. Raise this shield up with one hand. There we go. Take a look in here. This valve body looks good, nice and dry here. Pretty darn clean down here. Go take a look inside the cab. All the glass is good. I don't see any cracks or spider webbing or anything in the glass. Everything looks really good here. Where you step into the operator station's good. Floor mat's in good shape. No big cuts or tears there. Pretty darn clean. Take a look at the seat. Kind of getting a few little cracks here in the seat, just probably from the age. But other than that, no big cuts or tears in the bottom cushion. The back cushion looks good. Even the headrest is in good shape. Both armrests are in good shape. Operator controls on this side are good. Same thing over here. It's in good shape. The interior's pretty decent. Headliner's good. Everything looks good over here on the dash. 2,250 hours. Both your operating drive sticks are good. Alright, like I said, this one's a 2008 Bobcat 430. Plenty of pictures on our website. That's listed down below in the description. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'll get these hoods closed. We'll fire it up and get right into an operational video.